Hi everyone, Kathy Maxon, Craft Creations by Kathy. We're going to do a yarn wrapped Christmas themed, holiday themed wreath. I got some blue yarn that you pick up from Hobby Lobby. It's the bulky, it's the Yarn Bee Eternal Bliss. This is called Navy. This sign I had in my stash, it is from the Dollar Tree. So it's not too old because it is $1.25. I got some white, plain white ribbon from Sam's Club. I am hoping it's going to be enough. I'm scared it's not. I have an 18-inch wreath form from the Dollar Tree. So we are going to hope that that's enough. So I'm first going to start, I'm going to zip tie my ribbon to the center bar. Maybe. There we go. Then that way I have that ready to go. I am going to zip tie on this crossbar the yarn. So as I have my ribbon off to the side, we're just going to take our yarn. I'm just going to leave it on the full shebang. I'm going to push my zip tie with my ribbon all the way there because I kind of want to cover it a little bit if I can. So if I remember right, I think we do 4 loops around. See, I have to remember how to make things too. A lot of times I go back to my videos and see how I did it. So then you have your 4, and then you have your ribbon that goes over top. I wish I had a silver. I have a silver, but it's all glittery. But I wish I had different. I'm not a fan of this yarn, or the ribbon, but this is what we're going to use. So then what you do is you wrap it 2 times over the ribbon. Then you're going to pull your ribbon back. And then we're going to do our 4 loops around. I'll just do 4, and then somebody laughed at me, I think, in one of my other videos. They said I make it so difficult. But I don't really want to split up. You know, I don't want to cut the yarn. I don't want it to be. Do I have 4? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So then you're going to put your ribbon back. Let's see how this is going to look. Maybe I should do, maybe I want to do more than just 2 over top of this, because I kind of just wanted to peekaboo a little and not so much, because I'm not a fan of this white. So now I'm going to unwrap my 4. And I'm really hoping I have enough. So let's wrap around the yarn 4 times. So let's do 4 and 4. We'll try that. See if I like that better. You know, I gotta try something different, right? Oops, oops. Make sure you're, I had the wrong. Okay, and then let's go back this way. And let's do 4 again. So we're gonna do, see, and they laughed at me, right? I'm all tangled up. I kind of don't think I'm going to have enough of this yarn. And all I have is a little bit left, and you know how sometimes your color dyes can be different. So I'm hoping that's not the case. So then that way we don't have as much as the white. I'm going to have a big 4 spot. We'll try this. I'll continue on and I'll come back. Okay, I'm over halfway. And I still have that much left. So we're going good. Just make sure it's not too tight, not too loose. I am flipping it over just to make sure my back is like smooth back here. I don't want it too bulky and loose. So then I'm just making sure if it is too loose, I'm just tightening them up as I go. So that ended up really good. So then again, like I said, I just make sure that the back is not so poofy or whatever. And we're good here. So I'm gonna find this crossbar again. I have another zip tie somewhere right here. So I'm going to go under this crossbar in the back. Remember, I have it flipped over. Come on. Come on, Lady Jane. Okay, and then I'm going to come over, just make sure it looks good before I tighten it. Got strings everywhere. So this end, as I was finishing, almost looks tighter than where I started. Pull that tight. Clip off our zip tie end. I'm going to clip off. I'm going to tuck that little boy down. So here is the wreath form all done. And look at, I probably have a yard left of that blue. So that works. So you're going to need at least 3/4 of a roll. So I'm going to put this, we'll put this on it. I actually was just asking my husband if he had, he could cut holes. And I think I may just put like maybe 3 cable mounts on the bottom, and then that way if this is laying this like this, I can just tie them into the back, and then I'll have to figure out a bow. So I want a bow. I'm going to cover up this, but I want to change. I want the bow to be, I don't know, I could do a white bow. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to look for some blue as well. I don't know. I wasn't happy with this white, but that's all I had and what I found. So I have another craft show, so I just want to make sure I have more stuff to offer. So this will be one of them. Thanks for watching.